What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out here in Culiacan, Sinaloa. I've been real quiet lately. Ooh. Bro, I can't tell if that thing's real. Oh, it is real. That thing is super real. Watch, you can see his pulse, right? See that? Oh, it's real, all right. Anyways, here's another one. DJ Khaled, another one. Oye, ¿cómo no se comen las tortugas, no?
Sí, a ver. Si no lo ves,
Just thought I'd bring y'all on today's trip. I've been out here a few days already, and I have not posted anything because I've been living my best life. And I don't like to put a camera in front of everything. And it's also out of respect to the people I'm hanging out with. But today I thought, since I ain't never been here, I thought maybe somebody would be interested in coming. Yo, these things are fat. Imagine seeing these all over Florida. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know the difference. I think these are gators, right? Aren't these gators? Yeah, they're big and fat, huh?
the videos of the...
Right. We're entering the gigantic bird cage. Lo mismo, ¿no?
Acá
Es lo mismo.
acá el que anda suelto, mira.
Oh, sí.
Oh, el otro también. Ahorita ya va a hablar. ¿Fuma cigarro?
That's a big one. That's a weird looking bird. It's different. Let's see. Man, what kind of... I don't know. Let's see what kind of bird is this. Wasn't there like a cereal or something that had this guy on there for the longest time? Oh, for Fruit Loops. Yeah, we got the Fruit Loops. What do you call that? Poster child right here. That's right. I'll tell you what, I like the fact that the birds stay active. Unlike the big animals, you know, the big animals always, they just want to chill. They just want to chill and sleep. But these birds, they're meant to fly. Alright, we got the tiger right here. This is the real king of the jungle. People don't know that. Did you know that?
Yeah.
There are no lions in the jungle. Lions live on the safari. So when they say lion is the king of the jungle, that's actually incorrect. It's actually the tiger. Did you know the tiger is much bigger than the lion?
Yeah.
No snap, David. All right, that's how you feel. And here we have the jaguar. These are natives to southern Mexico right here. That I know. Right there. Boom, boom. He's right there chilling. He big sleeping. What a surprise. Oh, we got a mountain lion. We got a puma. We got these in Arizona. We got quite a bit of these in Arizona, actually. Never seen one in real life, and this one kind of skitty. But every time I encounter a puma, they're always doing this. They don't like to be caged up at all.
You think this one can kill you?
This one, are you serious, David? Come on, bro. If they can kill an elk, that's like 5 times our weight and our strength. We got these are leopards. Pretty cool. You know what I like about this zoo in Mexico? This is my first time being in a zoo in Mexico, and I like the fact that they keep the animals close so you can see them. When you go to other zoos, in the U.S. and they keep, like, especially the the dangerous animals. They keep them, way far away, way far away that you can never really see them. They're sleeping in under a rock, and you can't even really see them. So that's a pretty cool change. Pretty cool change of pace. Bro, I don't know about y'all, but I don't believe in evolution at all. I don't believe that we came from these guys. There's just no way. These dudes are just built goofy. Let's see what we got over here. Monotonkian. This is like that monkey that comes out on the memes, right? That he's like, hey, let me get that banana. And he just goes crazy. He's like, blah, 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 blah. Give me the bananas. It's another one. There's another one right there. We got Sabumafu over here. Is he Sabumafu? We got Sabumafu right here. I like them. I like these monkeys. I don't even know if they're monkeys or not, but I'm gonna call them a monkey. Right there. There's a couple more up there. Nice. Ooh. All right, we got the lion right here. Where? Yo, this is a pretty big animal. Wow, it's pretty impressive. Big animals. Hey, this is actually explaining exactly what I said. Look. That's funny, huh? It's just saying that lion doesn't actually live in the jungle. The tiger does. They live on the safaris of Africa. The tigers are actually the ones that live in the jungle. We got a black bear. People actually eat these, and they actually say they're pretty tasty. So all they eat is, typically all they eat is berries and whatnot, and fruits and fish. So I can see why they taste good, This man's showing off. This man's showing off his lifestyle right here. He's hanging out. He said, I can't believe you humans work 60 to 80 hours a week just to do what I do for free, which is chill in your own place. Water, food 3 times a day. Yup. I see you. You ain't slick. This man hanging out. What is that thing?
Me. Dude, they have squirrels.
What is that thing?
What is that?
Is that thing like from what is it, Timon and Pumbaa? What's that thing's name?
Oh, it might be, huh?
A warhog? It is a warhog. Here, we check over here from the side. See, it is a warhog. We got some rams over here. We got an iguana doing the head wobble. He's right there under there. He's in the shade. He's chilling in the shade. Yes, sir.
He's not doing the head wobble.
Of course now he doesn't want to do it. Alright, let's see what's up here. Let's go see the giraffes. Oh, my HVAC installer knees are acting up. Ah. Oh, snap.
They're like all related, huh? Them and goats? Look at his feet.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess so. Yeah, you're right. There's a bunch of animals down there, but we can't. Oh, you really think this is safe right here? I leaned up against that a tad bit. Almost fell through. You can see there's some animals at the distance, but it's hard to see them from here. It's pretty cool though. You could see the giraffe really close. Both of these. I know.
Have humans for freaking lunch.
I know you could. It must not know. It must be in captivity for so long, and it must not know that it could easily just walk through this very thin metal fence with its whatever 1,500 pounds of muscle and bone and fat and whatnot. But that's just how it is when you're in captivity, right? Oh, nice. He's showering. Do your thing. Do your thing. Come on. Do your thing. Alright. Really cool. Got the flamingos. Oh, you alright? And then we have here some big birds. I don't know who he is.
The hawk.
Yeah. It's a pretty cool looking hawk. Oh. What do we have over here? Some baby hawks. Yep. Predators.
I saw a TikTok where
Air predators. Let's go inside. Let's see what we got up in here. It's a bunch of hawks, right? Nice, 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 nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. You gotta admit that's pretty cool. He's held up by his 2 feet and he's eating with both his hands. He's got food in both of his hands. And he's held on by his tail. You gotta admit that's a pretty cool skill. Emus? These bad boys are a pest in Florida? Wow.
they like reproduce.
They're huge. They're like huge rats almost, huh? Wow, they're pretty big. You know what? I like the zoo. I really do. It may be a little understaffed, but I like the fact that the animals are super, super close and accessible. Enjoy that barley, or whatever that is. So this zoo is in the inner city, so that's why you will hear cars driving by. It's by some schools, so there's a tortoise right there. A lot of schools nearby, and you know, that's why you hear the sirens in the background. I guess most zoos are in the inner city, right? Although, you know, Phoenix has some in the inner city and it's got some on the outskirts by a freeway. So in the way, either way, it's still kind of, they're still by the city. So it's normal, I guess. But I really do like how the animals here are super accessible. In the sense, not accessible as you can touch them, but you know, they actually are really close to look at. Well, that pretty much completes the vlog, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. These videos are really the videos that get the least amount of traction on the channel. But if this Culiacan Zoo right there, if it can motivate y'all, like I've said in other videos, to come out, spend a little bit of time. Doesn't matter what part of the world you're in, I guess. You can always find something to entertain yourself with, have a little bit of fun, especially the Hvac fam. You know, we all work 60, 80 hours a week a lot of the times, so good thing to get out and, you know, spend a little time with the family or with some friends or whatever. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.